Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the CX File Explorer version and your device OS so you know what you're fixing. Once done, back up critical folders to cloud or an SD card. This prevents data loss during resets. Next, force stop the app, clear its cache, and reboot the device to eliminate transient faults. Make sure you have at least 500 MB free storage so the app can rebuild indexes. These first steps remove common corruption and prepare the app for deeper repairs. You now address deeper causes, missing permissions and corrupted indices. First, check storage and file permissions and grant any that are off. Without storage access, the Explorer cannot list files. Then use any built-in repair function or uninstall updates to revert to a known good state and reinstall the latest stable APK if necessary. After reinstall, open settings to rebuild the file database or reindex directories so folder listings and search return accurate results. This fixes most persistent errors. You finish by confirming everything works, restore bookmarks and cloud links, and test core operations like open, copy, move, and delete across internal and SD storage so you catch permission or mount issues. Make sure sync jobs complete and thumbnails regenerate. If problems persist after these final steps, clear app data to remove stubborn config errors or install an alternative file manager to isolate whether the issue is device-wide. One key troubleshooting tip: check for corrupted, no media or hidden lock files that block indexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.